I don't only want to tell y'all, I want to show y'all why I am in love with Yaki straight textures these days. I went from straight to wavy and I styled it. Like, the versatility is crazy. It's giving blowout. It's giving inches, and it's giving I don't have to worry about my hair. Keep on watching. Let's get right into the details because I need y'all to know all about this Yaki straight wig from Nadula hair. All the information on this hair will be down below. But let me go ahead and tell y'all this. If you're looking for a texture that resembles realistic, it's going to be this. This wig came with all the P's. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. So all we have to do is install it on our head. I want to show you guys the texture of it before I straightened it, and this is me putting it on for the first time, just getting a little feel for it. Now personally, I like to go in and tint the lace using some Ruby Kisses in the shade number 12. Y'all, the perfect way to make this wig seamless and not have to melt it or use adhesive or glue is make sure you have your correct shade foundation or lace tint to tint this lace. I love the texture, how it comes, but I did want to go ahead and straighten the hair just so I can see how it's moving, how it's feeling, how it's looking, and it's giving everything that I expected it to. But I'm going to let y'all vibe out and watch this process, and I'm going to come back to you guys to style it in some cute styles in a second. When I tell y'all this hair is beautiful, look at that. Like, I literally stopped a few times and looked at my best friend like, girl, do you see this? This hair is gorgeous and it's moving, it's flowing, it's not stiff. Well, okay, this is that Yaki straight texture for you. If you're someone that's looking for a fake a silk press, a fake a sew-in type of look, it's gonna be this wig. To show the versatility, I did want to style it. So this was me earlier in the day and this was me later on at night. Going ahead and adding some wand curls in this hair just to see how it holds and how it looks. It definitely holds the wand curl and it came out exactly what I wanted it to. It took me maybe 10 minutes to add a few little wand curls in this hair to add a new dimension of style, and we was good to go. Like, straightening it and adding wand curls or curls to the hair, y'all, it takes maybe 10 to 20 minutes of your time, but it's very well worth it. The install is already only a minute. Like, it came pre-cut, remember, pre-bleached, pre-everything. All you have to do is style it if you want to, but don't forget it's cute straight out of packaging too. Because this process of me styling gets pretty redundant, I'm going to let you guys vibe out to the rest of the video. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be down below. Shout out to Nadula hair. I'm very impressed with this wig. Very impressed with this texture. And I love the way every style came out. So keep on watching to see easy ways to style this wig. And as always, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.